So I'm Natasha, I'm 18 and I've been doing an apprenticeship for 2.5 years now. I've qualified as well now, which is amazing. And I did an apprenticeship because I thought that was the best way for me to learn. So I've done the hairdressing level 2 apprentice route, and I just thought that was best for me to just be in the salon, being hands-on. Matthew's my employer, MJ Hair, and he's just been amazing. He's really helped me grow my confidence as well as a stylist, and he's really helped me build my client base up. So at MJ Hair, I've been able to do extension course as well, which I think is amazing. He's got his own brand of hair. I think there's a lot of opportunities that Matthew has given me as well that aren't included in college. I've had a lot of support from Jo at college as well, and she's been amazing coming out to assess me. If there's anything I wasn't sure about with the apprenticeship, she definitely reassured me. So I've benefited from the apprenticeship. I've been able to build my client base up whilst doing the course, so I've got that security after I finished the apprenticeship as well, and just the confidence skills that have came along with it. I definitely go for an apprenticeship. I do think it's the best way to learn. You can also have a taste of what you want to do as well, so you know if you do enjoy it.